Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we'll be highlighting Radhi Devlukia's French Toast Casserole from her New York Times bestselling cookbook, Joyfull. Joyfull is quickly turning into one of our favorite cookbooks, and we were so excited to try one of Radhi's delicious breakfast recipes. Her recipe made the daunting task of making French toast so simple yet so delicious. If you're interested in other recipes from this book, make sure to check out our other videos. Cut a loaf of bread into 1-inch cubes. In a large bowl, whisk the milk, maple syrup, cornstarch, and vanilla until well incorporated. Set aside. Butter an 11 by 14-inch casserole dish. Arrange the bread cubes evenly in a prepared baking dish. Pour the milk mixture over the bread. Make sure all the bread is submerged in the mixture. Allow the bread to soak for 15 minutes or up to overnight in the fridge. Mix the pecans, almond flour, sugar, syrup, and cinnamon in a bowl. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Sprinkle the pecan topping over the bread. Bake for about 30 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. Next, make the cream. Radhi has a delicious plant-based cashew cream recipe in her book, but we opted to make a homemade whipped cream for this recipe. In a large bowl, add in heavy cream, maple syrup, vanilla, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Use a hand mixer and mix until the cream is solid. Serve warm with maple syrup, cream, and mixed berries. Enjoy your French Toast Casserole. The list of ingredients for this recipe and links to Radhi's cookbook and website are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!